you think how much it affects you by going into that house. Like imagine a
Yeah.
bird going into
Yeah.
that house. Like
And there
Yeah.
are alternatives, I mean, to home smuggles, like the simmer pots.
Those are
You
awesome.
you could do simmer pots, which is like all organic, and you just boil it on your stove, and then it makes your house smell good, just like cooking, you
Yep.
know?
Fruits,
yeah.
spices, whatever you want to put into the simmer
Yeah.
pot, and you just let it run. And I understand that takes up a little bit of electricity, but no more than a wax warmer.